we're gonna create on this project access control in Swift. So first of all, I want to discuss about private access control in Swift. I want to discuss about access control in Swift. So what is private definition and what private? Private access restrict the use of entity. Private access restrict the use of entity to the enclosing declaration and to extension of that declaration that are in the same file. To extension of the declaration that are in the same file, use private access to hide the implementation details. Use private access control to hide the implementation details of a specific piece of functionality. When those details are used only a single declaration. So single declaration and private will be used only inside single file. Private will be used only a single file. If you declare any properties as a private inside a class, suppose which have you control, this is even class, and if you declare suppose private var age, which is type of integer, and suppose initial value is 0 and default value is 0. If we declare any properties as private inside a class, then in this property will be accessible inside that class, and all of extension in this property would be accessible inside that class, and all of extensions of the class. So I want to discuss about in this property in private project, single file struct in our class. In this file create a structure and class, and we're gonna create this. So and we're gonna create a function. Function which have function name, suppose decrease age, which have no parameter and no return values. Suppose decrease age is equal to decrease age function minus is equal to 1, decrease age, and accessibility on this class, and we're going to create on this function use of extension, and all of use of is private use of all of extension. So extension, we're going to create the extension view controller, and we're going to create the function. We're going to create the functions which have suppose upgrade wage. We're going to create the function upgrade age, which have upgrade age, no return type, and we can use of age plus is equal to 1. We're going to create on this function, and we're going to create this another function print age. We're going to create the function print age, print on this age. So print, we're going to create the print statement print age, and we're gonna use of UDidLoad method. Suppose we have a upgrade age and this print age. run on this view controller, run on this view controller. And iPod touch we can run on this view controller, and this is a parent a, suppose which equal to 1. Upgrade function calling this one. Default value is private integer value 0 and upgrade plus 1 age is 1. And so let me use of, so we're gonna create the another class. Create the another class A, and we're gonna create the function check age. Check age which have function name, no parameter and no return values. So we're gonna create on this instance our view controller. Let obj is equal to view controller. We're gonna create the instance of our view controller, and we can calling on this parent object dot age. We can assign on this error. So age is inaccessible due to private protection level. So if we declare any properties as a private inside a class, if we declare any properties private inside of a class, then in this property would be accessible inside that class and all of extension, but not use of this another class, in this tutorial of this private. And we can command us, we can create the another class, suppose another view controller. We're gonna create on this another view controller, and another view controller we're gonna create on this another view controller. We're gonna create on this function, we're gonna use of extension, suppose whichever view controller. This is the internal type. View control, Swift by default access control is internal by default access controller. So we can use of, we're gonna create on this function a check, and we're gonna create the instance of a view controller. Let view controller and age equal to 6. Suppose age equal to 6. So we can check on this error. Age is accessible due to private protection level. So private access restricts the use of entity to the enclosing declaration and to extension of that declaration that are in the same file. Use private access to hide the implementation details of a specific piece of functionality when those details are used only a single declaration. So okay, we can use complete on this private, and we can another use of, another use of file private. I would like tell you about things pertaining to file private. File private. This is the accessibility on this file private. And so firstly, rule of file private. File private will be used only inside a single file. File private used only in the single file. This is a single file rule. File private will be used only inside a single file. And if you declare any properties file private, as a file private inside a class, then in this property would be accessible inside that class and all of its extension and another class access on the property of another class, and command shift K to stop on this properties. So we can another class, suppose we have on this another class. And what is file private? Access restricts the use of entity its own defining source. Use file private access to hide the implementation details of a specific piece of functionality when those details are used within or the same entities. So first is the properties and properties. And if we declare properties in the same file and another class, in this properties would be accessible inside in this properties would be accessible inside that class and all of its extension, and another class inside in this file and another class in this file. That object view controller and view controller dot age we can access on this property object. We're gonna print on this expression resolution unused properties. And another controller we can remove on this another controller, and we can run on this cases. Okay, we can initial on this property, suppose 9 value we can assign on this 9. So if we declare file private properties in this inside a class, in this property accessible inside that class and all of its extension, and another class in the file and another class in the file, another class, this is another class in the same file, another class in the same file. And we can use of age equal to suppose 9. Okay, age is inaccessible due to file private protection label. This is another file not accessible, so we can remove this age, and this is a file private. We can run this check on this, suppose file private is check age, upgrade age, check age. Run on this statement, file private is a 0. We can check on this age, this is a 0, check age value on this. For review control extension on this check age internal in this file. So check age, decrease print age which have function on this age, print age, and we can set on this print age object dot okay sorry age check age. Sorry, we're going to use the function age check age, and we can use of a class, another class, we can use of another class. We're going to create on this instance another class, let a is equal to a, we're going to create on this instance, and a dot check age, we're going to create a dot check age, and then on this is a 9 print. We have on this 9 age value is 9, this is the print on this 9, a dot check and print age, a dot print age, a dot age node function on this use. So print a dot check age. So a dot check age and a dot check age dot okay check age. So we're going to create on the print function check age print on this function. We're going to create on this function, and we're going to create on this print statement, and object dot age. So we can use the a dot check age, a dot check age parent. We can run on this statement. This is a 9. We can print on this 9. Assign on this age is 9 value. Suppose we can assign on this value is 55, and we can run on this state project. Check on this is 55. So this is a file private properties. So if you file private properties, if you declare any properties as a file private inside a class, then in this property would be accessible inside that class and all of its extension and another class, and inside a class and all of its extension and another class. This is another class and use of file private. So third use of suppose which have use of on this, I would like to tell you about the things pertaining to internal. I would like to tell you about the things pertaining to internal. Shift by default access control is internal. It's not access control is internal. So internal defined. See, shift by default, shift access control is not implemented on this. Suppose not implemented on this internal. We can access on this age. Suppose 8, and we can use of check age, and we can use of function age check. Run on this statement. We can set on this value and assign on this value. Suppose first list 5 to 50, and we can set on this value age equal to 8, and we can call age check, and we can call on this print statement. Print age. Print age, and we can a value is 8. This is another statement. So firstly we can use of, if we not implemented on this internal property. So what is internal? Internal access enables entities to be used within any source file. Internal access enables entities to be used within any source files from their defining module. This is a module. From their defining module. But not is any source file outside of that module. But not if any source file outside of that module. You typically use of internal access defined as of framework internal structure. So structure, what is coming? If we any properties as an internal declare inside of a class, then it would be use of all of module. This is another view controller, and we can use of another view controller and direct access on this age. We can use of age function. We can use them check age another, which are function name. We can set on this another function name, and we can use of set age is equal to 80.80. So age is internal, defining this internal. We can set on this cannot find scope age. We're gonna create the instance let ob equal to view controller. We're gonna create on this instance on this object view controller. and ob.age object.age, we can assign on this object.age, we can run on this accessibility on this event. So if we declare any properties on this internal, if we declare any properties on this internal shift, by default keyword by default access control is internal. So if any property is internal declare, then inside a class, then it's use of all of module, this is the old, and use of another module is accessibility on this another module, testable access control and shift, access control and shift, and use of age, we can check on this here, cannot find scope, age cannot find scope, age we create on this instance, let vc equal to view controller, we're gonna create on this instance a vc dot age equal to 919, we can accessible to this, we can use accessibility, but import on this testable access control, we can remove this, we can check on this, I cannot find scope, we can import testable import access control, this is another module, internal, then it's would be used only one module, and all of files and all of extension and all of class use of internal, so by default is a internal, remove on this internal, and we can use of open. So I would like to tell you about the things pertaining to open and public. I would like to tell you about the things pertaining to internal and open, public and internal. So firstly question is open, and we're gonna create on this another properties, age v, suppose which type of integer, sorry, age male, age human, sorry, age male, age female, we can set up two properties, this is open, and this is a public property, public. What is difference on this public and what is difference open and public, what is difference open and public? So open, firstly we will discuss about, first of all we will discuss about open access control in shift. An open class is accessible and subclassable. An open class is accessible and subclassable outside of the defining module. Outside of the defining, suppose this is module, one module, and this is another module. So outside defining on this module. Outside defining on this module. Outside defining on this module. An open class member is accessible and overridable. And open class member is accessible and overridable outside of the defining module. Accessible and overridable outside of the defining module. And we can use of public. First of all, and then agem, suppose we can use of agem. So firstly we will discuss about, first of all we discuss of age open, and an open class is accessible and subclassable outside of a defining module. An open class member is accessible and overridable outside of that defining module. And what is discuss about public, difference on this open and public access control shift. So public, a public class accessible but subclass outside of that defining module. A public class accessible but not subclass outside of that module, defining module. A public class member is accessible but not overridable. A public class member is accessible but not overridable outside of that defining module. Outside of that defining module. of that defining module. And we can use of mail. This is a open agem. We can access on this agem. This is another module. This is the firstly module, and this is another module test here. And we can use of age. So instance view controller, and we can not import on this. So age m is equal to 9, suppose. Cannot find scope age m. Cannot find scope age m. Age m, this is a open. Age m, this is the open properties, and we can create on this instance. Suppose this is a class open, and we're gonna create on this instance class is overriding instance method with accessible declaration overrides. Okay, we're gonna use of okay, we can remove this. So this difference on this, all of modules use of, if you declare we want to properties open and public, you open and public access control use of framework, how to create a framework and different module, but create our project and use of another project because of different user of open and public access control. So we can check on this. Suppose which have module on this, let import access control shift dot access control age is not accessible, age m, this is properties on this age m. You can check on this error 8.5. So we can check on this error. No such module you can set on this age vm, age m. We can access on this properties age vm. So we can another module access on this property, but age m, and we can public another module we can set on this properties and another properties use of age m. And so this is the internal was firstly question was public and open. What's difference? Public and open and an open class is accessible and subclassable outside of a defining module. An open class member is accessible but and overridable outside of a defining module. Public, what is public? A public class accessible but not subclass outside of that defining module. X public class member accessible but not overridable outside of that module. So thank you for watching this video. We can enjoy our video, and so consider is slowly and beautiful use of access control. Thank you for watching this video.